Here I have CUBOT Quest, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly, let's open contacts. Then you should switch to this settings section, select import, tap allow, then select import from SIM card in our case, tap next, then select where to phone contact. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer. So yeah, then tap OK, and after that these contacts will appear here on your device. In your device's contacts list. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.